Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a unboxing of the Ipsy Ultimate box. This is the second month, I believe, for Ipsy Ultimate. Last month wasn't very like shocking, or I don't know, I didn't get excited about it. This month is a little bit better. I do have some of the products already on, but right now we're just gonna go ahead and list through the products. And then after listing the products, I'm going to speed through the application. So keep watching. Okay, so first thing I would like to point out in this box, which was an issue also last month, was that they were not listing the prices on the pamphlet that came in the box. Like, I'm pretty sure, again, that this does not say any of the prices, but I went ahead and looked them up, and I put them on the pamphlet. So this definitely needs to be something that Ipsy needs to change. We want to know how much the products are that are going to be in our box, just to and know the total value as well. First thing that is super freaking cute, which I don't know the value of this, but there's a little, or not even little, this is bigger than last month. It's like a whole makeup train case, and it's leopard print. I think this is leopard, not cheetah. And like, look, like, I think I'm gonna put my makeup in this now, because this is a pretty good size bag. But definitely happy to get this. So first in the box is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser cleanser like this. And I do have the moisturizer already, which I'll probably save for whenever I get to this cleanser so I can see how they work together. But it says it's a developed by doctors, this game-changing cleanser serum hybrid is great for all skin types, including sensitive skin, using gentle ingredients like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and colloidal oatmeal, whatever that is. It deeply moisturizes your skin while removing dirt, makeup, and excess oils. Great. It's not too promising. They're not promising it's going to do too much besides cleansing, so look forward to trying this out. And this goes for $28. Next in the box is the Benefit Cosmetics High Beam Liquid Highlighter. I believe this is full size. It looks like it could be full, well, maybe not, I don't know. It is pretty small, but if it is full size, then it's $18, but I'm not 100% sure whether it is or not. So I did apply this on my face already. You can see maybe a little bit. It's okay. Like, I feel like I still would want to add like a powdered highlighter. I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighters. I have a few of them and I never gravitate to them. But I mean, I will continue to keep trying it out. Next in the box is the SooAE Panda Eye Brightening Mask. I have tried SooAE before. I'm not sure if I gotten them in another Ipsy box or if I got it at the Ipsy live, but I just know they were super hydrating. There was like a lot of product on the mask, so it really did feel like it was hydrating my face. But these are eye masks, I think. The Hydrogel Eye Mask Set works hard and looks cute to hydrate and soothe tired eyes on the spot. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove. Cool. Not a huge fan of eye masks, but I do use them when I get them in the box. Oh, and these are $4 each, so there's 2 of them in here, so $8. Next in the box is something I'm not too excited about, mainly because I'm in nursing school right now, so we can't wear nail polish. I mean, I will admit that it is a pretty cute color. It looks almost in the bottle like a vampy red, but it could also be purple. So this is Smith & Colt Nail Lacquer in the shade Bite Your Kiss. bite your kiss, okay? And yes, I believe this is full size. It does come in cute packaging. Looks like you get quite a bit. The value of these is 18 bucks. Next is a Gigi Gorgeous, the only blush duo in the shade Authentic and Pride. I also have this, and it's not too bad. You can definitely tell that it's on my face. Like, it's not like the most amazing blush, but I mean, it shows up. I do love the packaging, and it's a duo like this. So there's like a blush, and I feel like this could also be like a highlighter. Maybe, barely. It's kind of glittery. Maybe it'd just be like a lighter blush, but I mixed them on my face, and yeah. So this goes for $24. Oh, and I think this is a collaboration that Gigi Gorgeous had with Ipsy. Like, I don't think it's like her own brand. I think it is a collaboration, but not 100% sure on that. All right, so another item that I have on is a Wanderess Rush eyeshadow palette, and it just has 6 shades. I have had another palette like this from Wonder Beauty as well. The shimmer shades are okay. They're not the most pigmented. The mattes are nice, but I try to put as many shades as possible on my lids. And I like the shade Charge right here I use as my inner corner, and that's pretty cute, but I don't know, all over the lid I try to put, honestly, like all of the shimmer shades right here, like in the inside, and I'm not a big fan. I feel like it's not as glittery or it's not as sparkly pigmentation as I was wanting it to be, but it is a cute little palette for like on the go. Oh, and this goes for 25 bucks. The next item we got, or I got in the box, was this Beau Gachis, Beau, I don't know how to pronounce this, but you're probably gonna see it backwards on the screen, but I'll have it in the description. So it's a concealer brush, and I did use it for my concealer, and it worked out fine. I mean, I think I would prefer to use a beauty blender or just a foundation brush, but it did work nice when I wanted to kind of sharpen my eyeshadow, because I do my eyeshadow before I do like my foundation concealer, and so it was nice when doing that. But other than that, it's okay. It's all right. It goes for $11.95. I don't know if I would spend that much on a brush, but yeah, I don't know much else to say about a concealer brush. It did the job, and that's really all I care about. Next is a deluxe size, I believe, is of Eva NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream with Cervis, I think that's how you spell it or pronounce it, and argan oil. So it detangles, smooths, and moisturizes for all hair type. Now, I haven't tried this, but I have tried the brand before, and I have liked some of their products, so I would hope that I would like this as well. But usually, like, these sample deluxe sizes I kind of keep for when I travel. So the pamphlet says, makes your hair feel satin thanks to nourishing argan and avocado oils and Cervis protein complex, which strengthens hair to fight breakage. Alright, so the full size is $12, and the full size is 5 ounces. This is only 0.7 ounces, so the value of this is like less than $2 or $3. Another deluxe sample in the box is a Youth to the People Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream, and it's this tiny little fellow right here. The full size is $48 and 2 ounces. This is 0.25 ounces. So the value of this would be maybe about $6 or $8, I think, if my math is correct. So what's this little thing? It says it is packed with antioxidant rich superfoods including kale, green tea, and alfalfa, plus a healthy dose of hyaluronic acid and vitamins C, E, and K to moisturize and improve the appearance of fine lines. So that would be another little travel size thing. Next is the $1 Billion Brows Bestsellers Kit. I did use this on my brows and they turned out okay. Of course, they're not twins because, yeah, they never are. But it comes with a brow pencil, a brow concealer and highlighter, double-ended, a brush to use the concealer, and it also comes with brow gel. Now, I did try it, like I said, I did try it on my eyebrows. It's okay. I almost kind of think the brow pencil is almost too silky because it was applying like really pigmented. And I feel like you can get carried away with that type of formula. But using the spoolie end, you can kind of fade it out or make it less noticeable. And I have been really into like these highlighter concealer sticks to use underneath the brows to sharpen them up. So this is definitely something I will get use out of. And the brow gel, I mean, it's okay. It is a clear brow gel, which that is what I prefer. But I don't know. It's not like, I feel like with most brow gels for me, they always end up just going down at the end of the day. They're never continued to just look feathery. So this goes for $42 for the kit. Next in the box is something that I picked out. It's the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. I find it pretty interesting that Juice Beauty was also in BoxyCharm's box this month, and I think I picked that one as well. But this retails for 80 bucks, so yeah. And it looks like this. So it says Ultra Light Gel Serum aims to enhance your skin tone and texture while simultaneously helping to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. With certified organic ingredients, Juice Beauty's clinically validated skincare helps to enrich your well-being and sustain the earth. And lastly in the box is this Trestique Color and Contour Cheek Stick. I have tried Trestique before. I think it was with I think they had lipsticks that look like this product. Like, this is what the contour stick looks like this, and then their lipstick was the same thing, just smaller for your lips. Is this twist? Yeah. And I also used this today, which I did quite like it. The application is definitely easy and it does blend out pretty nicely. So this is in the shade Brazilian Bronze. Oh, it's double-ended bronzer. Double-ended. Oh, I think the lips had the same thing and I never knew it. There's like an attachment. I think it was a lip liner or something at the other end, but I didn't even realize when I was using it that there's a brush on the other end. I love that. So this goes for $28. And once I'm done with all the bronzers that I do have, I will definitely be using this. And maybe it could become my next favorite thing. Alright, so that is all that is inside my Ipsy Ultimate box. I calculated the totals of all the full-size products, which was $283. Now they promised, I think, at least $250, so they did go way over their promised value. Now the two like deluxe or sample sizes really don't make too much of a difference, like maybe less than 20 bucks, but it honestly doesn't matter since like the full size stuff pretty much hits the value that it needs to be. So this month is definitely more not promising. It's much better than the last month, but Ipsy does need to start putting the prices on the pamphlets. Like, I shouldn't have to do the research. It should already be provided to me, like, it looks so shady when you don't put the prices. And I've had subscription bags lists. I've also had subscription bags list prices that weren't right too. So alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will hopefully, because I'm waiting for it to ship, is the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Cosmetics mini palette and the conspiracy palette. So I'm hoping that comes soon because I've been waiting like 2 weeks. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video.